Hey everyone, welcome back to another video by Mama Said Tech Reviews. As always, please like, subscribe, and share this video with all your friends and family. So, you won't believe where I'm at today. Typically, when it comes to favorite locations, I have a couple. Most of them involve going out to eat, and spending time with my friends and family, such as Disney, Red Robin, and a couple other locations. But aside from all that, one of my most favorite places to go is Micro Center, and that's where we're at today. And we're here because I'm putting together a new PC build, and they got some incredible items that just got released, and I'm here to pick it up, so that way I can put together the build and share with you all. So as always, I really appreciate the support from all of you. Please let me know your thoughts below, what you think of the new build, and also what's your favorite location to go to. Thank you very much and appreciate the support. Alrighty guys, we are back from Micro Center and it's time to check out the goodies that we've picked up. But before we do, I just wanted to pause for a second and express my gratitude to you all for this build. As you guys know, technology has become increasingly expensive over the past few months, so the fact I'm even able to go to a store, pick up and purchase these items is something that I am extremely grateful for. I also want to say thank you to those that have liked, commented, and shared this video with all your friends and family as we continue to build this channel from where it is today and where it will be tomorrow. I just want you all to know I could not have done it without the support of you all. Thank you. With that being said, let's go ahead and check out some of the items that we've picked up. So first and foremost, we have the ROG Astral 5080 graphics card announced at CES. The design is just absolutely beautiful. Performance wise, it can handle 1080p, 1440p, and 4K gaming in our case. We have the ROG Ryuo 1200 Platinum power supply that's going to be powering our new baby. We have the ROG 360 ARGB liquid cooler that's going to keep our processor nice and cool. We have the stunningly beautiful ROG Crosshair X870E Glacial White motherboard that just looks incredible in any case that you throw it in. We have our G-Skill Trident Royal 8000 speed RAM. And last but not least, we have the brand new AMD Ryzen 9950 X3D2 processor. I cannot wait to put it through its paces, see what it can do for productivity, see what it can do for gaming while you're streaming, multitasking, and overall, just what power it is capable of. So I'm so excited for this build. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and of course, comment down below and let me know your thoughts on this build and any questions you have. Thank you.
I suppose money can buy power, Tony.